How do I know my tub with medical hydrotherapy will stay sanitary?
The definition of medical hydrotherapy is temperature appropriate, sanitary, non aggressive whole body massage. So now I need to create a system that will deliver that every time. And so that's where the quality of the jets, the configuration of the jets, the facts that they're medical grade and have check valves in them and things like that are all important to maintain that sanitation aspect. And so what we want to create is a therapeutic process where what's in the tub goes down the drain and doesn't get into any of the piping and plumbing involved in the therapeutic process. I use air to deliver that because if we design and place those jets strategically throughout the shell, we are going to get that non-aggressive whole body massage, which is what we're looking for. That's it's not magic or anything. We're literally giving our body what it needs to heal itself.